How to send a report of an interactive activity. In some courses, you will find interactive activities within the units that propose exercises such as drag and drop, recognizing keywords, completing terms, among others. When you enter the interactive activity, you can work on the exercises or proposed activities. You must click on the check or verify button to finish your attempt and see the result. The activities can be repeated until each element matches the correct option. However, you must keep in mind that some activities are limited to a single attempt. When you finish working through the activities indicated by the teacher, click on the Summary and Submission button, located at the end of the left side or on the last page of the interactive activity. If it is a presentation, it can be located on the last slide. In this option, you will find a detailed summary of the activities you have carried out. Then click on the Send Report button. Subsequently, the teacher will be able to grade or follow up on the progress of the activities you have performed. Keep in mind that solving activities and sending reports must be carried out following the instructions provided by the teacher throughout the interactive activity. It is crucial that, after sending a report, you wait for the teacher's feedback or instructions to continue with the activity, as if you send a new report without waiting for the review of the previous one, the progress you sent in the first one will be lost. With this information, you will be able to solve and send the results of the interactive activities presented in your courses.